Linux is a wonderful operating system. There are so many different distributions of Linux that you can choose from, and it is not necessary that everyone should be using the same distribution as of the others. Everybody has different inclinations, everybody has different requirements, everybody has different ways of working. So everybody can choose a particular variation of Linux according to his own requirements and his own liking. That also makes the Linux users all the more interesting, because somebody may be an artist, he may be a painter, or he or she may be a musician, and so on. So there are so many different free softwares available on Linux that it is almost inconceivable that any single Linux user may be fully acquainted with all the different softwares that are present for download for free. So in this regard, I would like to request all the Linux users, because I know as a Linux user you may have some unique computing experiences. You may be using certain Linux distribution, you may be using certain softwares for certain needs, and it may not be the same for all others. So if you want to share your experiences of using Linux, then I would be happy to publish your experiences, whatever you want to share with others about your experiences with Linux and open source softwares. So I am thinking of interviewing anybody who want to share his or her experiences as a Linux user, whatever distribution you may be using, or so it doesn't matter. You are just using Linux, and if you have something to share with everybody else, then I think it is worthwhile that we talk about our experiences with each other. That will make all of us a little more richer. So if you want to share your experiences, then I think one of the ways is to we can chat using any video chatting software, and then I will record that chat session and then put that video on my YouTube channel. That is one of the ways we can create a interview like session where we talk about your experiences about Linux and open source software. So tell me what you think about it, and I will be looking forward to your replies.